Hey guys, how's it going? Charlie here from WorldOfFishing and BassCoZa today. Got something pretty cool that I'm very excited about. We're a couple of days from the South African National Championships to be held down at Albert Falls Dam in KwaZulu-Natal. It's going to be a smash fest. But I just want to show you what I've just done to our boat. We've got a couple of upgrades that we've done. So jump aboard. So let's hop aboard the WorldOfFishing and BassCoZa Muthaship. Let's jump on here. So what we've just upgraded on the Muthaship, we've put in 4 brand new Royal DC31 true deep cycle marine batteries. These are true deep cycle batteries. So we've got 4 of them. This battery is parallel to that battery to give me 12 volts, 200 ampere hour. And then I've got my trolling motor batteries giving me 24 volts, 100 ampere hour. So each of these batteries are 100 ampere hour. So my 12 volt batteries are running my main motor, all of my lowrance marine electronics, HDS system, sonic hub, all of my network systems and all that. Then I've also got 2 power pole blade 10-foot shallow water anchors, which are over there. That's why I've got 2 in parallel, because I've got quite a lot of load. Plus my live oil pumps run all the time. But the thing is, I've just pulled out my 3 bank 10 ampere bank charger and put 3 individual Victron IP65 Blue Smart chargers. Each of these chargers provides 12 volts, 15 amps of charging. They also can take universal voltage input, so even if you're in an area with low voltage or an area with high voltage, they're going to charge your batteries perfectly. Now 12 volts, 15 amps per bank, these batteries are going to charge fast as well. Another awesome feature is they do have the Bluetooth app built in, or the Bluetooth module, so I can sit in my tent or in my chalet next to the boat, log into my boat, check that my batteries are all charging, and make sure that I'm ready and I don't have to step out into the rain or toil taking my covers off. I can just Bluetooth in. So let's turn these on for the first time. So here I've got each charger. I'm gonna see if I can get these into one plug, to multi-plug. Let's check it on and see what happens. There we go, they've all kicked on. Let's move that strap down a little bit. And they're all charging. So now I'm going to see if I can get onto the Victron app, and I'll show you guys how we actually get onto the Bluetooth app, and also how we configure the chargers, and we can see exactly what's happening in the boat without having to look at the chargers. Now the charge on the left is doing my 2 12 volt circuits. These batteries are brand new, but they're not charged, so they're probably at about 70%. Whereas my 2 batteries on the right, those 2 chargers, these batteries, according to my other charger that I've pulled out, were fully charged. So let's see what they're actually at. And as you can see, both batteries on the right say that they're in a absorption charge, whereas the batteries on the left, the 2 100 ampere hours in parallel, are currently on a bulk charge. Let's log into the Victron app and I'll show you a couple of tips and tricks on there, guys. Hey guys, so I just want to show you a little bit about the Victron Connect app, which is free to download from the Google Play Store and the Apple Store. Let's open up the app. Victron Connect comes up. As you can see, there's a whole list of chargers. Now, I'm actually quite close to a buddy's boat who is probably about 10 meters away from me, so I can see all of his chargers as well. I know which ones are his because I know he's got a 24 volt 8 amp and a 12 volt 10 amp, and I've only got 12 volt 15s IP65s. So I've already named my chargers there, except for one, the BSC IP65 1215. So let's log into this one. So this is as if I've just got a new charger. So let's try connect to it. Probably get a notification saying there, pairing request. Now the default password is 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's hit OK, connecting. There we go, now we logged into that charger. And you can see it's pushing 13 amps at the moment, charging these 2 batteries in parallel. So I've got 200 ampere hour at 12 volts there. If we tap the little settings button, there we can set normal in recondition, high in recondition, lithium ion, and we can also set the charge current. What we can also do is we can tap the 3 little dots on the top right, go to product information, Here we can change our pin code and also give it a custom name. So let's name this charger 12 volt 200 ampere hour, so that I know it's my 12 volts 200 ampere hour, and let's say it's 12 volts, or let's say 15 amps charging. There we go. So 12 volt 200 ampere hour, 15 amps. Hit OK. The pin code, we can change that. So the current pin was 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros. New pin is blah 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 blah. Okay. So let's have a look. So I've got my trolling motor left battery charger. So let's open that up. So now it's just connecting to the charger. The charger's got blinking lights to show you what's happening. So that's currently pretty much running at very low voltage because it's at a very low amps because it's ready on a absorption charge. Here it tells you exactly what's happening. Battery is charging constant voltage with decreased current until it is fully charged. So that's that charger there. Pretty cool. Let's go back one, go to my right trolling motor battery, and you can see the actual charger also starts flashing. So that one's also an absorption charge right over there.